Yes, the next topic on our outline is integers. Integers. So, what is an integer? Integers. Okay, let me use your previous knowledge. Whole number. You know that whole number starts from 0, 1, 2, and continue to infinite. Now, integer is the combinations of whole numbers and the negative of numbers or of natural numbers. What am I saying? So, under the integer, we have two parts. The first part is what we know before, which is whole number. And the second part is negative number. That is the opposite of natural number. It's a negative number. Don't forget, under the whole numbers, it's divided into two. We have 0 and natural number. Natural numbers. Oh, zeros, of course, we know 0. This is 0. Natural numbers is what? 1, 2, 3, and so on. And then whole numbers are numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, continue. And negative of natural number is -1, -2, -3, -4, continue. And this one we can show it on a normal line. We can show it on a normal line. So if this is 0, that is a symmetry because this is equal to this. So this is negative, going to be negative infinite, and this is positive, which we did before, going to positive infinity. We use this sign to represent infinite, and this is negative of infinite. And then the symbols, we use Z to symbolize integer. We use Z to symbolize integer. So this is what we mean by integer. Now, what can we do? We can find the absolute value of integer. We can find the absolute value of integer. So if we have absolute value is represented as modulus. So if you have absolute value of -1, this means that this guy changed the sign from negative to positive. So we have +1. And if we have absolute of 2, it's positive, so it remains positive. If it's negative, it changes to positive. If it's positive, it remains positive. So this is absolute. So this is very important with this guy. Now, let's see the operation of integers. So we have seen the basic parts of integers numbers, right? But now let us look at the arithmetic, the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. But before that, we need to understand some memory devices here that you have to keep in your medulla oblongata. What are they? We have to know that, let me call it memory devices. What do I mean by that? We have to know that minus times minus is plus. This is very important. And this is the same thing as, you can say minus of minus, which is plus. Plus times minus is minus. That is, plus of minus is minus. minus of plus is minus. Plus times plus, of course, is plus. The same thing, you can do it for division. You can say minus divided by minus is plus. Minus divided by plus is minus. Plus divided by minus is minus. Plus divided by plus is plus. This is what I call memory devices. That is what you should keep in your brain. This is very, very essential. Very, very essential. Now, knowing this, it's easy for us to solve problems. So let's solve problems that involve addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, even explanation. We can do it. Okay. Let's go. Okay, now we have a sample. We have 20 questions here, but they're very easy. Once we understand that our memory devices, it's very easy. Just set your memory devices and solve it. So let's begin. 4 plus 2. Okay. Easy, right? 6. Okay. This is 6. Let me write it here. 6. Now, minus 3 plus 6. Minus is negative. 6 is positive. Now, think this way. Anything positive means the money you have with you, your own money. Negative, think of it like the money you are owing somebody. Okay? So, when I say negative, say money I'm owing. When I say positive, your own money. Now, you have $6, for example, and you are owing $3. So, if you pay $3 out of $6, what remains? 3, right? 3. So, you have $6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of this 6, so you count forward here. Now, out of this 6, you are owing $3. So you count back. What? 1, 2, 3. Out of your money. So what is left is what? Did you understand? This aspect is extremely very important. Let's go to the next question. Next question says 4 plus bracket minus 5. Now, we need our memory devices. This is like plus times minus. So, plus times minus is what? Minus, right? Good. So, I can say this is the same as 4 minus 5. 4 minus 5. Now, 4 means plus. You have $4 with you. You are owing somebody $5. So, if you pay $5, can you pay $5 for $4? Of course, not possible. So, if you use all the money with you, you will still be owing. So, how much will you be? Let's check it. So if you have the number line, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 4 you are owing. So, let's see, it starts from 0. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you count it backward, you count 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. If 4 goes from here, you still need one more to balance. Right? You still need one more to balance. It means that this is minus 1. Minus 1. So which means if you have $4 with you, all your $4 will go. Minus 4 from here, you will still be owing 1. Do you get it? This is very important. Very easy, but very important. Because this is what you are owing is more than what you have. So you are doing that yourself. Let's go to the next question. We have three numbers here. So let us open all the brackets first. We have minus 2 here, plus minus. For our memory device is what? Minus. Plus 4. Now, all the ones that have minus, put them together first. Minus 2 means you are owing somebody, you are owing Mr. A $2. You are owing Mr. B $3. So I ask you, how much are you owing now? 5, right? You are owing Mr. A $2, you are owing Mr. B $3. So the total amount you are owing is what? 5. So that is owing 5 plus 4. So we have operated these two. We have 5 minus 5 plus 4. Now, again, you are owing $5 now, or £5, or €5, or £5, or 5 shillings, depends the country you are. And then you have 4 money with you. So just like what we did before. So if you minus all the 4 you are owing, you are still going to owe $1. The last at the first column. Open all the brackets. We have minus 5 plus 3 plus minus, right? 1 plus minus again, minus. Put all the minus together. All the ones that have minus together first. So you have minus 5, minus 1, minus 2, plus 3. So you arrange it, all the ones that have minus. Because minus means you are owing. So this amount now is like owing money, right? Now you are owing 5. You are owing Mr. A $5, Mr. B $1, Mr. C $2. If I ask you now, how many? I want to help you. I want to pay for your money. So how many are you owing? Now, you are owing 5 here, you are owing 1 year, you are owing 2 years, making 8. Means you are owing $8. So you have $8 plus 3. You have just $3 with you, but you are owing $8 or 8 Turkish. So if you pay all the money with you, you will still be owing. So how much are you be owing now? You will still be owing minus 5. Are you following? So anytime you are seeing negative, think of it as money owing. Positive money owing. The second column, 5 minus 3. You have $5 with you, but you are owing just $3. So if you pay $3 out of the money, you will still have money, right? So you will still have $2 with you. But this place, you are owing $9, but you have only $4. If you use all the money in your pockets to pay, you will still be owing. And how much are you going to be owing now? You will be owing. So these are things you have to be practicing. It's very important. It's very, very important. Okay? Now, this is our hand. You are owing Mr. B $4. You are owing Mrs. Let's use Mrs. now. But you don't need to hold woman money. You are owing Mr. A 4. You are owing Mr. B 6. If I ask you how much are you owing together? 10, right? You sum all the money you're owing, and then it gives us what? Minus. Now we have 3 digit number. Let us open bracket first. Doing that, we have minus 3 minus minus is what? Plus for our rolling device, right? Minus is plus. So we have 12 here. Minus again is plus 4. So you are owing only one money here, but you have these 2 with you. So the money you have with you, sum them together. So we have minus 3. So you have $12, you have $4. So how many total money you have? You have 16. You have $16. Now, out of the $16, you are owing $3. So if you minus 3 from 16, you will still have money. So this one you are not. You will still have what? $13. Okay, the last question on the second column. Again, open all the brackets. Minus minus is plus. Minus minus again is plus 8. So, in this case, you are owing 4, you have 6, you have 8. So, all the money you have with you, add them together. Add them together. We have minus 4 plus, so 4 plus 8 will give us 14. Now, you have 14 in your pocket. So, unfortunately, you are owing 4. So, if you minus 4 from 14, you have 10. Okay, let's consider our problem. I hope it's okay. So, minus this. Now, multiplication. Multiplication. So, first, multiply the sign first before the number. The sign here is negative. The sign here is negative. Negative is what? Positive, right? For our memory device. So we have positive. And now, 3 multiplied by 2 gives us what? 6. Next question. 12. There is nothing here. If nothing is written in the front of the number, it means it's positive. Okay? If nothing is written, it means it's positive. The money you have. Now, plus times minus is what? Minus. 12 times 3 is what? 36. So the result is minus 36. Now, the next question. We have 3 signs here. Negative, negative, negative. Negative, negative, negative. This means you are multiplying minus by minus by minus. Minus minus is plus. Right? So now plus minus. So plus minus is what? Minus. So minus 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 is what? Minus. So if minus 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 is minus, now we have negative 3 times 2 will give us 6. Right? Now 6 times 4 will give us what? 24. So our result is minus 20. Be careful of this minus 1. Okay? The next. Now we have positive, negative, negative, negative. Meaning, you have to do it step by step. This and this is what? Negative. Now this negative is what? Positive. And now this positive, this negative is what? Negative. So what we have here now is what? Negative. So the sign is negative. Write it out. Now the numbers. 6 by 2 is what? 6 times 2 is what? 12. 12 times 1 remain 12. Now 12 times 2 is what? 24. 24. Oh, this is exponents. Exponents. Remember our when we are working on whole number, we did square. Power. Power means how many times the number repeats itself. So now we can split this guy. Splitting this guy is equivalent to minus 2 in 3 places. It means minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. This guy produces this one. The next one, minus 3 in 2 places. It means minus 3, minus 3. Interesting. Minus. It's fine. Okay. Good. Now, the next thing is we have break it down to 5 different numbers. Now, let's work on the sign. Negative is what? Positive. Positive, negative is what? Negative. Negative is positive. And lastly, positive, negative is what? Negative. So the final sign is negative. So if you write out the sign is negative, now we can go ahead with the numbers. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2, times 3. 8 times 3, 24. Now 24 times 3. Let us work this out. Don't use calculator. Please drop it down. So we are what we are 8 times 3, 24. Now 24 times 3. This is give us 12, 2. This is 6, that is 72. So which means our answer is 7 minus 72. Minus 72. Let your brain work, okay? Don't put everything for and the machine. No, leave your calculator. Use what God gives you first. Okay? You can use calculator to cross check, but at first use this. Okay. The last column. Now we have division. Negative is what? Positive. Positive. So positive now we now have 12 divided by 4. Meaning 4 goes here 1, 4 goes here 3. So what we have is what? Plus 3 over 1. And then how many times 1 goes in 3? Is 3. So answer is plus 3. If you like, you can just write 3. It's okay, because we know that what is in the front of 3 is plus. The next question. 6. What is in front of 6 is what? Positive. So positive divided by negative. Quickly check your memory device. Is what? Negative, right? Is negative. So what number do we mean? We have 6 divided by 3. Now we can take our scissors. 3 goes here 1. 3 goes here 2. What is left is what? 2 divided by 1, which is what? 2. So we have negative 2. This case you have to write it there, not like this one. When nothing is written, it means it's positive. But if it's negative, you cannot throw it away. Negative is very important. You throw it away, you are throwing away the credits you are away. Me, I know for you. Aha! This is very important. What is here is positive. But this is 0. Let me tell you. Anything divided by 0, apart from 0, is undefined. It's undefined. Okay? So this one, there is no switch. This is undefined. But if it's other way around, let's say have this one. 0 divided by 15. This one is what? 0. It's not the same other way around. Okay? So for this case, this is okay. But for this case, it's undefined, not determined. I mean, undefined. The next question. Negative, negative is what? Positive. So we have 28 divided by 7. So this is quickly. 7 goes here, 1, 7 goes here. 4. 4. 4. 4. So what is left is plus 4, which is 4. Because plus, if I have it, so it doesn't make sense, right? The last but not the least on this list, I will now, after this one, we will now have one example that combine everything together. It's very interesting, right? Challenge your brain. The brain is there. Let it work. Let it work. Okay. First, this guy is in 3 places. So please, you have to do bracket first. That's a board mass. No, actually, last time that I will teach you what is big mass or board mass. So is there B mass. This is bracket. This is index. Index. So bracket first, then index. Okay? This is very important. Okay, let's do this. So we have minus 2, 6 divided by this is minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. Minus 2 in 3 places. That is the meaning. Don't say 2 times 3. The mathematician will arrest you because that is against the rule. Okay, now what do we see here? By the way, I can just make life easy for myself by removing this guy because they are the same, right? Let's not reduce it. Yeah? Because one is up, one is down, so we can go. If I do that, let me write it going down. We have 6 divided by minus 2, right? Up here we have positive. Down here we have negative, negative. Negative, negative is what? Positive. So positive, negative, negative is what? Positive. Be careful. Be careful. So let me, I don't want to drop. So this is plus 6 divided by plus 4, right? Positive, negative, negative is positive. 2 times 2 is 4, right? Now, I can take my scissors. 2 goes here, 3. 2 goes here, 2. So, I ask you, who goes there? Hey, tell you 2. So, positive is positive. Now, what is left is what? 3 out of 2. I can write it as 3 out of 2. If you like, you can apply your fraction. You see, mathematics, I love mathematics. You see, there is no knowledge that is wasted. So, the it is improper fraction. So, you can make it mixed number. So, you say, how many times 2 goes in 3? 1. What's the meaning? 1 over 2. And then good. Now, this is the combinations of all what we have been doing. Addition is there, subtraction is there, multiplication is there, even division is there, even exponent is there. So we have to remember our big mass. Okay? We have to remember our big mass. So let me write it somewhere. Big mass. Bracket first, index, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So, first, go to the brackets. Anything bracket, go and open it with. Let us read this one first. Let us do all. So, bracket first. Bracket is here. So, let us deal with what is inside the bracket first. So, let's write. So, we have minus 5, minus 5. My target is bracket. What is inside the bracket? So, 2 minus 4. It means you have $2 with you. You are owing $4. If you pay $4, If we pay 2 out of the dollars, we are still going to be owing $2. So this will give us minus 2 power of 3 divided by. Come to this place, brackets. I want to remove the brackets. Inside it, there is nothing. So I can just leave it like that if I want. So next is to work with the index, the power indices. So there's power here, there's power here also, there's power here. So if you open the bracket power, you are going to have minus 5 minus 5. This guy means minus 2 in 3 places. Let us work it here. Minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. This gives us minus, minus, minus is minus, right? 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. So this guy gives us minus 8. Divided by minus 22 minus 3 minus 5. Okay? Now we can open this bracket, We have minus 5 minus minus is plus. And then 5 times 4 times 8. Sorry. 5 times 8 is 40. So we are done with denominator. Now come to denominator. We have minus 22. Minus minus is what? Plus. So 3 times 5 will give us what? 15. See how we are breaking it down. You don't have to rush. Where are you going to? Are you going to rush here? You're not going to rush. So don't rush. Follow step by step. Now, we can operate this 2, we can operate this 2. Minus 5 means you are owing $5. 40 means you have $40 with you. Wow, you're a big boy now. You see, you're growing. You grow from negative to positive. So, if you pay 5 for the $40 you have, you will still have big money, right? You will still have 35. You will still have 35. And now, this time around, you can see what you get. You are owing $22. Stop owing. So minus 22, you are owing $22, and you have $15 with you. So if you pay, you cannot even, if you pay all the 15 with you, you are still going. What? You owing $7. So don't forget there is a plus here. So plus minus is minus. 7 goes here, 1. 7 goes here, 5. So the final result is minus 5. Certainly.